We did have found a problem that when you close the door, even though you cut the ANC off, when you close the door, you're gonna have a thumping noise. So here, you want to remove the wire from here, unplug it or clip it, whatever. You're gonna have to remove the whole door out and then cut it or unplug it. And there's a screw right there that you have to take out, and then you probably can reach your hand underneath there and reach over to the mic. What you're gonna have to do, you want to remove this all clips using a flathead, and remove that, and remove that 7 millimeter right there, and then there will be a 7 millimeter right there, and I guess that's only 2, and you can pry it out a little bit using a prier, and then you'll be able to reach that wire. Now you got the red, push that out right there and remove it out. Move this clip out somehow. Here I just pull it out. What you're gonna do, you want to push this red switch right there out a little bit, and then you want to push this piece right there, push that black piece down and pull it straight out. That's it.
Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to clean tough messes off my stovetop and bathtub. But then I discovered I can also use it to easily clean my patio furniture and even my shoes. I'm hooked.
What I'm looking for is the ANC, making sure that's turned off. Some of them doesn't have it, and I don't believe this thing got it because it does not have a built-in amplifier. I'm still gonna check it, just making sure. But other than that, everything works great, and it sounds great also. I think mainly you want to go to the main menu, and you want to go to setup, and then you want to click down to sound, and you want to see this is audible touch feedback. Now maximum startup, no, you don't have to do anything with that, so it doesn't require that. Just making sure that it's not